I see this in print and preview. Table has been printed. If you are working in a company or some institution, there are some set of rules which are standard. Like in college, we have attendance percentage. If the students have 67 percentage in attendance, they will get 1 mark, and this is followed by in same order. Now, if we are to allot marks according to their attendance percentage, rule is given means marks will be given according to this criteria. So we are not going to check each and every attendance percentage and then we'll allot the marks. Instead, we can use a command that is VLOOKUP equals to VLOOKUP. Here we will allot lookup value that is attendance percentage that is E4 followed by table array that is dollar I dollar 2 $j this will cover the entire table. After that, we'll put column index number that is 2, following by a range lookup that is true, pressing enter. You can see 82 will come under the range of this, and we can find all these value. Now see if I want to create a chart for this rate of petrol and number of vehicles sold in West region, then select the table, go to insert, go to recommend charts. You may choose any of these, then okay. These blue lines shows rate of petrol and other one shows number of vehicle sold in West region. This is the one way. We can also create a chart containing lines as you can see on the screen. These this blue line show rate of petrol and the other one show number of vehicles sold in West region. This is the another way. I'm changing the title that is rate of petrol versus rate of petrol versus sale of vehicle. This is called legend. Rate of pet. This is legend. You can increase or decrease the size. There are so many ways to make a chart of this. You may use any of the way you would like to. So this was all about how to make charts.